To begin today's lesson, we're going to be doing a demonstration called the crater experiment. So here in front of me, I have a pan filled with flour with a relatively even surface. I also have two objects, a baseball and a crumpled up piece of paper. I'm going to be taking these objects and dropping them from the same height into our pan of flour. Now while I do this, I'd like you guys to use your observation skills. What I mean by this is I'd like you to pay close attention to what you see and what you can notice. Are you ready? That was messy. Let's see what we've got. I'm going to carefully lift our objects without pushing them in. Let's see what's happened to the flour. Here's the crater that formed from the paper ball. And here is the crater that formed from the baseball. If I turn this to the side, you can see how deep the crater is. So here's the crater again from the paper ball, and here's the crater again from the baseball. Can you guys notice any differences between these two? Okay, let's do that one more time. I'm going to go ahead and shake up the flour so that our surface is even again. And once again, I'm going to drop these two objects at the same time from the same height, and let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay, that's even. Let's remove our objects carefully. And let's have a look at our craters. Here's our crater from our baseball, and right there is the crater from the paper ball. Again, what do you guys notice about these craters? You see any differences? Okay, now that I'm covered in flour, I'd like you guys to ask yourselves a few questions about what you observed during the demonstration. What do we know about our objects? How are they similar and how are they different? Also, what did we notice about these objects as they were falling? And what can you observe about the flour after the objects made impact? Feel free to go ahead and jot down any ideas in a notebook or maybe make a few doodles. And we're going to learn a little bit more about this subject in our next video.